Alright guys, today we have a 2016 Hyundai Accent. This is 4-cylinder. We're gonna do oil change. Right under the car, you're gonna come over here. This is the drainer right here, oil drainer. And right up here, this blue thing right here is the oil filter right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 17mm and we're gonna remove this. Make sure you have it on off if you have a snap-on ratchet. So all you do is you twist that off. Make sure you have a drain bucket to catch the oil into. And after that, let me get my light so we can see much better. I'm gonna remove this. And I'm gonna let the oil come out just like that. We'll give this car about 10 minutes for the oil to come out, drain out, and then we'll remove the filter after that. Alright guys, so all the oil has drained out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this number 17mm drain plug. I'm going to put this in. And I'm going to tighten that drain plug. Do not forget, alright? A lot of people, they want to move over to the filter and then tighten that later on. Do not do that. Do it now because you will forget. Or you'll have doubts, you know. So make sure this is nice and tight. What we're going to do next is, it's going to be hard to see a little bit. Right here is the oil filter. Alright, you see that blue thing right there? That's the oil filter. We're gonna remove that. Alright, I'm gonna go get my wrench. So if you have an oil filter wrench, you can just grab it and turn it. It should come right out. So all you do is you twist that off. And this has oil in it, so just make sure your drain bucket is underneath it. Okay, once it's loose, I'm gonna put my drain bucket a little bit over, right underneath it, and then I'm gonna loosen this filter. All right, let's let it drip out. And then I'll take I'm gonna have a rag handy, so because I know some of the oil is gonna get on my hand. Alright, there you go. That's the filter right here, right? Make sure this O-ring right here comes off with it. Sometimes that O-ring will stay behind. If that happens and you forget or you didn't take a look at it, it's gonna leak because it's gonna be two seals and they're not gonna sit flush. Alright. Once you have the filter removed, you're gonna get your new filter. This one takes 4612. You're gonna take a little bit of oil and you're gonna just rub it on that. It doesn't have to be too much on that seal. What it's gonna do is when it twists on, the seal's gonna slip on. If you don't do that, it might just grip itself and then twist off. Alright, I'm going to tighten that filter. I'm going to move this bucket out of the way a little bit. Let me wipe some of the oil so it won't drip on the floor. And now move my bucket. And I got that filter nice and tight. Now what we'll do is we'll go up on the top. We'll bring the car down. And we'll put oil in this car. And that's it, and it will be done, alright? So give me a moment. We're gonna bring this car down. Alright guys. So we're up on the car under the hood. This is the cap right here for the oil. This car takes 5W20. That's the oil you're gonna put in there. And we're gonna put 4.5 quarts. So what you do is, let me take my light and put it here. I'm gonna remove the cap first. sometimes it's tight. You could get a needle nose or a plier and just turn it, all right? Over time, this thing gets locked itself. It has a small seal. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll take my funnel and I'm gonna take 4.5 quarts of oil and I'm gonna put the oil in this car. Just like that. All right, that's that. That's one. I got my oil ready. So this is 2. All right, so 3. And then we have number 4. All right, that's 4. Then I have the last one here, number 5. I'm sorry, this is the 5th quart, but this was only half, right? See how quickly it went because it was only half. It was open already. We probably put half in another car. Once that's done, what you can do next is you can come over and look at this dipstick here. We can pull out the dipstick. You can look at clean it one time. See, it's nice and clean now. Put that dipstick back in, pull it out. And the oil is up to here, a little bit extra in here because that's gonna go into the filter. And that's it. That's how you do an oil change on a Hyundai Accent. This is 2016. And the last thing is, make sure you put your cap on, right? If you do not put this cap on, there's gonna be vacuum leakage and it's gonna shoot out the oil a little bit from here. Make sure it clicks in like that. And that's it, we're done. That's how you do oil change on a Hyundai Accent. Again. And make sure you reset the light if this car has a light, and make sure you put a sticker on for the customer